In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the thumbnail view of your clips in Shotcut. As you can see, I have added here several video and image clips, but I don't like this format. Still, if I go ahead and add another clip like this, it will go ahead and take the same format like this. So if you don't like this view in your playlist, you can go ahead and change them. To change it, just move down here, and as you can see, it is currently set to view as icons, but we have other three options that you can use. The first one is this. If you try this, you can see the arrangement has changed, and if you like this style, you can now use this thumbnail style in your playlist. We also have this style, and you can go ahead and try it and see how this exposes. So maybe if this style didn't expose the details of your clips or your thumbnails, then you can go ahead and switch between this and this. And for my case, I like this because it exposes the details, especially the naming on each and every clip that I have in my Shotcut. So that's how you can change the view of your clips in your playlist. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.